everyone. Is it spring yet? Because my allergies have been acting up so bad the past 2 days. But today I'm really excited because I'm going to be organizing the trunk in my car. My car was ridiculous. It was so messy. It was full of things. Like you couldn't even sit in the back seat without having to move things out of the way, huh?
Yeah.
It was a mess. I literally had sweaters in there, like Disney ears, like all over the trunk, tissue, books, like just everything. Emma's toy was in there, her little steering wheel toy. It was full of junk.
For 10 days.
Literally. And so I finally decided to organize it because Emma was sick last week a little bit, and she actually ended up throwing up inside the car on the passenger seat.
Bruh.
And so it was super stinky, and I was like, I need to get my car detailed and clean like ASAP, like as soon as possible. Like, and it's ridiculous.
When we went to eat, something happened on my mom's car.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The bird poop.
Oh my lord, that's another thing. So anyways, I got the car detailed this week, so it's squeaky clean on the inside. I wish I would have taken a before video to show you guys, but I ended up like taking everything out of the car, bringing it inside the house so I could figure out a way to organize the car. And so I got this off Amazon. So this is a trunk organizer. I've never used one before. I've seen them kind of. I never wanted to get one, but I finally caved in and got it. And so yeah, I'm gonna set it up and we're gonna organize our trunk with all of the things that we need.
We don't need we need the ears and the sweaters.
I need the sweaters though, because sometimes when we're out, you know how it gets like unexpectedly cold?
I get cold sometimes.
Or like it gets late and you're out. So I like having sweaters in the car just to be safe. I also have a gym bag. So I have a bunch of stuff I need to show you guys. So this is part of the stuff that I had in the car. My little gym bag.
And
that I really don't use at the gym because I don't like carrying bags, but I still have like stuff in here that I would need. My running belt, eye drops, like little face wipes.
And then we got some ears right here.
And I got those ears from Zootopia 2 when we went out to theaters to watch it. We got the little ears at the movie theater. And they're so cute. Look at them. Oh my gosh.
I'm the fox and she's a Julie Hopps.
And I have a clipboard because Emma used to do homework in the car, so I wanted to make sure that she had a clipboard like while we were driving out to places. And then I bought this off the TikTok shop. This is the visor phone holder that you clip onto your car visor. Yes, I fell into the hype. I don't think I've used it once because I don't like the angle. And this is just more mess that I was carrying in the car.
What is this?
This is a steering wheel cover that I just bought that I need to put in the car.
Because the steering wheel.
These are the sweater, all of the different sweaters that I had just tossed in the back seat. I had 2 pairs of headphones. The Apple headphones, the Beats headphones, I don't know why. I had a book, I don't know, in case I got bored somewhere. A Sudoku book in case I got bored somewhere. And then this bag is just full of like Disney ears and Disney hat. Like we literally have so many ears that, yeah, I need to figure out a way to organize them. So as you guys could see, my car was messy. I had a bunch of stuff in there. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and organize it and see how it looks after. So this is the organizer. I forgot what color I got.
How could you not know what color you got?
What color do you think I got?
Black.
Why do you think I got black?
Pink.
Okay, pink. I thought about it. I thought about getting pink, but
our favorite color,
I wanted to get a neutral color.
What the? Why did you get black? Dang! I was laughing with it.
So I ended up getting gray and black just to keep it neutral because I didn't want to I was going to get pink, but my car is gray and the interior is black. So I wanted to keep like a neutral color like that.
Is this like a gas car or something?
Let's see how it looks. What is this? Well, this is probably the bottom, maybe.
And what is this supposed to be? Is this for the gas part? You could cover the sun or something?
I need to take this out. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's closed off. So when it's closed, it's like super thin. So that's pretty cool. And it has a little clip to clip it shut on both sides. This is huge. It's big. It's a big organizer. I think these are the dividers. Let me see. Okay, this is the bottom. So you just put this in here. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. So I put the bottom in there, and then it comes with the dividers. How do you put these in here? What is that? Okay. So I put one of the dividers in there. I'm putting the second divider in here. So there's some dividers that are shorter because you're able to also like divide this in half. But I think I'm just gonna do 3 compartments. Alright, so this is what it looks like now with 1, 2, 3. This organizer also comes with lids. So if you do want to put a lid on it, you just put this over. Like that. Into a little trunk. And you're able to open it. Ta-da! I also like that this comes with the little side pockets actually. So you're able to store things in here. Alright, so I think I'm going to organize the Disney Airs first and see how much room they take up. Look at this. So cute. And this one. Oh, these are so cute. Not me showing you guys all of our ears. But right now I have them all inside the bag, which is also why I wanted to organize, because I feel like they're just being tossed around in the trunk and they get damaged. Like this bow is like crooked.
And look, we have this. Like a little banner.
Look at these. So I think I'm gonna organize them by season maybe, since I'm not gonna be using the Christmas ones until Christmas. So I don't really need them. I might just put them like towards the back as I'm organizing. So let's see. Let's see. All right, so just finished organizing and this is what it looks like. So I told you guys we have a lot of Disney ears. So these 2 got filled up with just ears. Look at that. We have a bunch of ears, but I don't mind it because like I said, all of these ears were just in a bag, tossed in the trunk. So I really wanted something to organize them in. And then whenever we get to Disney, we just pick out a pair of ears. On this side, I put our sweater, the extra sweaters that I carry, the headphones, which I use at the gym, and then my book. And I put the other book on this side.
Now ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Alright, it's all packed, and we're gonna go put it into the trunk. We're gonna go put it in the trunk, And yeah, I think everything fit in there, which is cool. Because even the stuff I had in the back seat fit. So everything fit. So my car will be clear. Okay, I'm a strong. Okay, girly. Oh my god, I have more mess back here. Hold on. I have more mess back here in my trunk. So I have 2 umbrellas and then 3 headrests.
I forgot when we went to.
Does this even still fit you? Because that was your baby one. Wow. What? And I have a Christmas necklace. Oh my lord. See, this is what I'm telling you guys. I have too much mess. This is... Oh, look at my glasses.
Look at her glasses. We bought those
Forgot where we bought them.
at Disney.
Was it Disney?
Yeah, it's Disney.
Or Florida? We are prepared in case
Of emergency.
it starts raining. You want to have umbrellas in the car? All right, let's push it back.
Oh, perfectly.
Perf. Oh wait, it's opening though. You opened it when you were carrying it, I think. Close it.
Look.
Okay, so this is how it fit in the trunk. It actually looks very neat and very small. So it just took up the whole little area. You still have like space for your groceries and other things. And it's nice and organized. The final look, the trunk organizer. My car has never been cleaner. This has tissues and then Emma's neck pillow that she wants. Because sometimes she'll take naps in the car. And that's it. Super clean. Alright guys, so that is it for my car organizing. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. And I'm going to leave the link to all my car organization recommendations in the bio, so check them out.